What's up YouTube? I'm back with another video. If you guys are new here, my name's Christina. I make videos on beauty, lifestyle, and fashion. And today I'm coming to you with a video about fashion. As you can tell by the title, I will be doing an unboxing slash try on slash haul video of all the fun clothes that I got from ARITZIA during their last winter sale. I do have like 3 big boxes here that I will be unboxing with you guys. It was one order, but I know ARITZIA sends out their packages in different boxes, so I do have 3 huge boxes that I'll be going through with you guys. I know mostly I got was the TNA sweatsuits. I've really been into those lately. And some other loungewear, I think some cardigans, maybe some coats, I can't remember, but yeah, I will show you guys how those look on me. For reference, I'm only 5 feet, about 115 pounds, so you can see how it would look on a more petite girl my size. But other than that, I don't want to have this intro too long. If you're interested in seeing what I got during this winter sale, just keep on watching. So it was a lot. They're so pretty. I always love their packaging and the photography that they put on their bags. But yeah, let's take a look. I do remember this. This is the Borna jacket in the color Espace. I just thought this was super cute online. It's that same material, it's by Babaton, that they have like a lot of their pants in, their blazers. Just close up right there. Some buttons here on the side. On the wrists, I mean, super cute color. It has 2 pockets in the chest area. Let me just stand up here for you guys. It's supposed to be like a shirt jacket type thing. It's super thick. I got it in the size extra small. So that was the only thing in that bag. Let's see what else we got. It's the same art piece on this one, but it's a different bag. I think this is another jacket as well. This is the Balboa jacket, also by the group by Babaton. And this is in the color Dry Basil Green. I also have like the Jimmy pant, I think, in this exact color and material, so I can also style it with that. It kind of looks like a trench coat. Just another like shacket type thing that's been in this season. I got it in the size extra small. It is a very heavy duty, like sturdy material. Online it looked like a little bit more silky, but it's supposed to come with like a little belt here because I could see the loop right here for the jacket. I don't know where that belt is. That was the part that I was excited about, the belt, but it is not in here. Maybe I'll try emailing ARITZIA that it didn't come with the belt, but this jacket is supposed to come with a belt. I could insert the original photo from their website of it. That's disappointing. And the second thing that was in that bag is Shrunken Hoodie in GD Periscope by TNA. I actually got this in a double extra small. I'm usually an extra small in like the TNA sweatshirts, but they only had a double extra small and I really wanted this color in this style while it was on sale as well. So, but it is a little bit more of a like a navy, a darker navy black color. It looks more black online, but I do like this color. Okay, moving on to what we have in here. I also think I didn't get everything yet. I think there are some items that were like didn't ship out until like a certain date, and that's still later this month. So, yeah, I forgot I got these. This is the Caton sweater. It's a half zip from Wilfred Free. It's in the color charcoal or carbon. Oh, charcoal. And it's like a little turtleneck with a half zip. There's like a ribbed material. This is what it looks like. Has like a nice little V detail here. Really liked this one. And then I also got this from Sunday Best. This quilted pleather like shacket thing again. I thought this white one was really nice. They just had it in a small, but I thought that was still okay if I wanted to layer with this. This is called the Flynn jacket. So cute. I love the diamond like pleather look on this. I just thought it was a really elegant, timeless pattern for this jacket. It's a nice pleather material. All right, and for this last one, this is the biggest one that I had. Let's shout out to ARITZIA. They just package their things so nicely. Look at those colors. So this one, the Shrunken hoodie that I showed you guys before in GD Periscope. I got the matching sweats. I think I got it in the Mega style. This is the Mega. And then also in that Shrunken hoodie style, I got it in GD Chasm. It's in that same Shrunken hoodie, and I got it in the double extra small. Still think it'll fit me, and I still think it would look nice with the high-waisted sweats, because I did get the matching sweats for this as well. But I got them in just the regular like CozyAF fleece high-rise. And the last two sweat sets I got, they're from Wilfred Free, so not TNA. This is the Wilfred Free fleece half zip in GD Turner Taupe. Yeah, just your basic half zip sweater in the fleece material in this taupe color that they have in their collection. And then for the sweats, I got them the Wilfred Free fleece wide leg sweats. So these are gonna be wide leg at the bottom, and they're just like the matching color. I also got that same exact sweat set from Wilfred Free in the GD matte pearl. I love this color. And I also have the biker shorts in this color. Also got them in the same wide leg sweats. Alright guys, so that was everything that I bought from the previous winter sale that ARITZIA had. I hope you enjoyed this video and enjoyed see me unbox the things that I got from the sale, as well as try them on. I did my best to try them on and show everything. You can see it was just a lot of loungewear sweat sets because, I mean, during quarantine at home every day, working out. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys want more videos like this, haul videos, try on videos. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment down below on any future video suggestions, what you liked about this video, what are some of your favorite things from ARITZIA if you do shop there, or some of your favorite things to be wearing right now during shelter in place. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Bye!